So one of the types of blocks that you can use inside of Notion to insert our data is a CSV block. So to go ahead and do that, you need to press a slash on your keyboard and then type in CSV. Once you do that, you get an option to import out CSV data, as you can see right here, just like this. So now you can simply go around onto the folder where you have your CSV file, and here you can see that I actually have a CSV file right here. Let me just go ahead and open that out right here, and what happens is that it uploads out the contents of that CSV right here, and just like this you have the CSV. Click on it and then you can see that this is a CSV set of email addresses right here, which is imported just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the CSV block right here, as you can see. So you can see that it recognizes it as email. So if there's any other CSV data right there, then it'll be recognized and will be brought in the table right here. You can also go ahead and now continue editing on top of it as you like. So that is how you can work around with CSV block inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.